talk hydration. We talked about systemic hydration in another video, and that's where your cells have enough water to function, right? Our body is like 70% water, so your cells need it. But what about topical hydration? This is hydration that actually is able to touch the mucosa of your vocal tract and your vocal cords. So normally when you swallow, the water or liquid does not touch your vocal cords. Otherwise, you would have a coughing fit. But if you have a mask with a steamer or a nebulizer, that can coat the structures. Do you need it? Not everybody does. Don't feel pressured to get this just because a lot of other people are doing it. So here are the facts. If you live in a dry environment or a dry home, maybe it is winter and you have the heater on a lot, right? And the air is dry and you can feel that, absolutely try it. If you feel like your throat is getting mucousy and when you wake up in the morning it's dry, maybe you're mouth breathing at night, and try that in the morning to see if it helps. If you are an occupational voice user and you want to see if this helps, maybe try getting something cheap to start off with. There's readily available steamers out there in the market, as opposed to an expensive, vocal nebulizer. They do act differently, but you can tell a difference with both of them. And what we do know is that when the system is well hydrated, the energy, the perceived energy that it takes to voice decreases, and the actual physiological production is easier. Your vocal cords come together better, but you may not need it. If you're already systemically well hydrated and taking care of your voice, you may not necessarily need that. If you are a very heavy voice user, you might find that it helps you to maintain a good healthy routine, and that would also be a benefit.